How to submit feedback or report an issue to Crumbl support. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, navigate to the crumbl.com, and once in the website, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see privacy and policy option available there. So now you can see privacy and policy option available here. All you have to do is tap on it, and all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom, and you will get to see contact us option available there. So now once you tap on the contact us, you will be navigated to the support page of Crumbl. Now here all you have to do is tap on the chat now option available at the bottom right corner of your screen if you want to chat at the Crumbl support, or you can simply pick one problem you are facing at the Crumbl website or Crumbl app and navigate to it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.